Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update almost. On XRP, I wanted to do a quick update today because I did a video yesterday, and to be fair, not a lot has changed since that analysis, but there were some things I forgot to really talk about, or at least I didn't feel like I talked about them enough. And apart from that, it's also Monday today. And what we're seeing right now, as most of you know, which is a very usual thing to happen, is that the volume is actually increasing. So the volume right now is up about 30%, but compared to last week, when it was around 1.6, that's still quite low. And especially also when you look at Bitcoin, it's just expected that more volume will stream into the markets. Which means at the current volume levels that we'll also see some volatility. All right, so just wanted to reiterate what I said and also introduce some different scenarios to you. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to remind you that I have my own premium group, which I think if you actually want to become a profitable or better trader, is the best option out there, because you don't only get access to my trades, all right, in this format, for example, but you also gain access to my trading guide, in which you'll be able to learn as quickly as in a week everything I do in my analysis and trading. And then apart from that, you also have a chat room to learn from other traders. So if you actually want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out. Links will be down in the description, or you can just head on over to cilinix.com. But for now, let's get into XRP. So, volatility is expected. To briefly remind you of what I said yesterday is that I think the technical setup for XRP right now is the following. We're stuck between 53.5 cents as a resistance, and then 50.5 and perhaps even like 50 cents. Maybe we should drag it down there. 50 cents as a support. It looks like, after finding strong resistance yesterday at 53 cents, we're heading towards that lower bound right here, which, I mean, it's pretty likely we'll drop down there. But it's not the end of the world yet, because, simply said, the one thing you should just know about XRP is that one of these two levels is going to have a breakout, it's going to break, and then the rest of the movement depends very much on which one of those levels breaks. All right, so yesterday it looked quite likely, also with a Bitcoin that was relatively strong still yesterday, kind of in the afternoon, at least. Yesterday it looked quite likely that XRP was going to be able to get that bullish breakout, even though I also said, and that's something most of you know, even though I do think it's still likely that we'll drop down to 47 cents down here, where you have this trend line, and this is just in general a very good level to buy from. All right, so it's quite likely we'll drop down there. But the one thing that isn't too clear yet is whether we will first have some recovery before dropping down there. And to be fair, I mean, the moment we drop down below 50.5 cents, I think it's already too late, even though technically 50 cents still holds. But you should know that if 50 cents breaks as a support, there's still support at 49 cents, but then XRP will just take a bearish break retest and drop down to 47 cents. All right, so this is a realistic scenario. Long term, this is what is expected. Short term, I would say this has like a 50% chance, where the other 50% chance is that we'll find support at 50 and 50.5 cents, get back up to 53 cents, and at some point of time get this bullish breakout, and get up towards 56 and 57 cents. But this, which we talked about a lot yesterday, in my eyes is only possible if Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout as well. So the main thing to watch in the next 24 hours, when we will get that volatility because of the new volume, is whether Bitcoin is going to be able to get that bullish breakout or not. That's the main thing to watch. If Bitcoin gets that bullish breakout, XRP can still do something like this. If it's not able to do so, and we'll just stay in this consolidation, and the dollar strength index doesn't work its wonders either, then at some point of time, this becomes more likely and more likely, all right? So at this point of time, because it's consolidating like this, it's hard to really predict what's going to happen. I'd say it's still a bit more likely that that XRP will recover a bit more, but that's based on certain factors, which I'm just not 100% sure about. So yeah, we'll see. At least with this analysis, you know what to look out for and how to get some good confirmation. But this is my take on XRP for right now. So I'll see you soon. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.